Recording.
Here we are. I believe we are in what's called Barcelona. And it is the beach area of Barcelona.
Nice. So this is Barcelona's beach.
Yes.
And the beach was created for the Olympics.
Oh, yes.
They didn't have a beach. Here we are.
Here we are. Hola.
It's very pretty.
It is very pretty. There's a lot of people
as far
here.
as oceans go.
On a November 2nd.
Right, November. And I guess if we were in South Florida, we could do this.
I got my dress wet.
Oh, swimming.
Yep.
It's a swimming structure.
It's a swimming structure.
Swimming
you
art.
see this dude?
What's he doing? Oh, he's diving. Yeah. Nice.
So this is all parking.
This is
the
what?
Parking's below ground.
Oh, nice. I got a plant in my head. Right here on the beach.
You always know you're having a fun time when you have a plant on your head.
Right. Music. Drinks on the way. We found our way to a Spanish food festival.
Here in the...
This lady is carving up some cheese. I don't know if you can see that or not, but she's making little pinwheels of cheese over there. We're in the harbor here in Barcelona.
See?
And
but here we are.
Here we are, food festival.
Amazing.
Yeah. But we didn't plan on coming to a food festival.
Not at all. Oh.
Best burger shop in town sweatshirts?
Probably. Yeah, we're a little concerned. We're getting ready to get on a boat.
Yeah. It's gonna be cold.
Nah,
I need a coat.
Here.
Yep.
Hola. So we're on a catamaran, getting ready to do a little sail.
Yeah. There we go.
Everybody fishing.
Yeah.
Hey.
I think so. I don't know. I screw this up
The red
all
light's
the time.
flashing, so that I think says
It's
yes.
counting up, so I guess so.
So did you say when we
clear the breakwater?
Is it going to be windy like the Arctic?
It might be windy, and it might be very wavy.
Here we are. The waves have gotten a little higher.
A little bigger. That's a lot bigger.
That's a lot bigger. It's all good though.
Is this like a 75-foot long catamaran?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, these are big waves.
They are big waves. Yeah, there ain't gonna be anybody sitting out on that net for too long, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Oh, we're sailing. Are we sailing?
Are we sailing?
Might be sailing.
It's so,
What? It's a what?
it's so so pretty. It's rough. I mean, it's a little,
It's very wavy.
but it's good. It's so pretty.
I'm glad you find that so humorous.
That's my new favorite picture. So we are wrapping up our adventure to Spain, and I think that this is a great way to end it. We're on a sailboat, sail catamaran. We are just having an amazing time. Tomorrow morning we get on the airplane and we go back home. And you know what? I'm ready to go back home. And I think that is when you hit that perfect how long to stay gone. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Shut up. I'm trying to be professional. So why don't you go
This is
ahead
a professional thing.
do video now of where we are.
Here's where we are. Oh. There we are.
Okay, say it again.
Almir Cobb. It's bigger than Bill Gates' old boat.
It's owned by Qatar's former prime minister.
Yeah. Now we're back to the dock.
Back to the
Getting off
dock.
the boat.
And just glasses. Thank you.
We're crossing the bridge to go over to the Mara Magnum
See.
shopping center, right?
And places to eat,
Yeah,
such as Taco Bell.
right. They got a Taco Bell and a McDonald's. That's good. And now tonight it's cold.
So cold.
Brr.
Muy frio.
But I didn't bring, I didn't want to wear my sweatshirt today because it was going to be hot. And
You
we
would
were
have
hot.
been miserable. Yes.
We were hot. And we were sweating.
Yes.
We're on the drawbridge, and the drawbridge is very bouncy.
It is.
Whew, I know. I'll probably just keep walking instead of trying to make it bounce.
Did you just see me almost die trying to jump?
No, I saw you jump. I'm buying a Barcelona sweatshirt in here somewhere. Whew.
I just jumped board. You didn't see it?
No, I missed that one. Yeah.